Meaning of CWT. CWT. CWT.
CWT. CWT. CWT is a unit of measurement that stands for hundredweight, which is equal to 100 pounds or approximately 45.36 kilograms. This unit is commonly used in the United States and England to measure the weight of large objects, such as livestock or grains. The term CWT can be traced back to medieval times when it was used in trade and commerce. Nowadays, while still in use, this unit of measurement has largely been replaced by metric measurements that are standardized and recognized internationally.